Okay, let me show you another life-altering tip. Nothing will be same again after having learned this one. So let's say we want to extrude this line on both sides. When pressing E, you can extrude by default along the Z-axis. But you want to extrude from the top view and you press E. So therefore you have obviously first changed the direction. So therefore you press F for freestyle. And now you can extrude along the normal, but there is no lock distances option for extruding to both sides. Click this one, boom. And now this tab for lock distances appears. So let's press tab and now we can extrude to both sides. Now you have shifted into the parallel universe. Peace!